Did you ever test or had to test how your site, how a site behaves when you are located in Australia, for example, in comparison to when you are located in Austria? So two different continents, Europe and Australia, and there are sites which show different pages, different layouts, different discounts even, depending on where the browser says that you are located, or depending on where you are actually located. Well, my question is, how would you simulate something like this in test automation with Cypress? Don't know? No problem. Let's have a look. So I have here a small test which will open a page that will show where I am currently located. So let's just start that. And in order to actually see where I am, just to try it, and it will say, okay, I am somewhere here. It doesn't really tell you where, which city, which country, but this is Romania at the moment. So how would you, let's say, simulate that you are in another country? Well, I have another test here, which we're going to have a look at. But before we have a look at, um, if you don't know what this X stands for, I have another video which explains what the X is for. But let's just get into it and have a look at the code that will simulate our location. So the first part is actually the same as above. So we're just visiting the same page, but we have, let's say, a hook on before load hook, which will perform some changes for our test right before this ci.visit is, or right before the window is loaded. So how is this structured? Well, I have here our coordinates. So spoiler, I'm going to pretend, or I'm going to make the browser think that I'm in Berlin. So this is the latitude and longitude for Berlin. And afterwards, we use the ci.stop command to fake our location. And that is done pretty easily. So you have windows.navigator.geolocation. And then we just call this call fake function, and it has to return our coordinates and to return our latitude and our longitude. Let me just remove now the X from here, and I will add it here and see if this is actually working. So if we go back to our test, we can stop it and run it again. And we put try it, and it actually says we are in the middle of Berlin at the moment. And actually, there you have it. This is how you can stub or simulate or trick a browser into thinking you are in a different location. If needed, I can post the code in a GitHub repo. But if not, here's the code again so that you can have a second look at it. As always, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye-bye.